What's going on, guys? Today I'm looking at a 2019 Toyota RAV4. I'm going to be showing you how to locate and pull out the cabin air filter. We're going to go to the glove box and we're going to disconnect this damper you have right here on the side first. All you got to do is just pull on it. And now go ahead and take the things out of your glove box because we're going to drop this glove box down. You have some stoppers right here on the sides. You're going to need to push the glove box in to get the stoppers around the glove box. Okay, this just stops the glove box door from opening and falling all the way open. This is a lot easier with two hands, so if you have two hands, use two hands. I only have one hand, so it's a little difficult. Once you get it dropped down, right here in this compartment that you have here is where the cabin filter is located. Okay, so to get the door off, it's pretty simple. You just come over here, and all we have to do is just pinch this little clip that we have here, and the door will come off. Okay, if you look, it's kind of slotted right here on the left side. Just note that when you go to put it back on, that you're gonna need to slide this guy back in there. Okay, to get it off, just grab this and pull it right out. This thing right here holds the cabin air filter. Okay, so when you get a new one, you're gonna need to pull the filter unit out. Okay, and you're gonna reuse this plastic piece here. If you need a new filter, there will be a link down below in the description box on some filters you can find on Amazon. So check that out if you need a new one. Once you get that put back in here and replaced, just put everything back exactly how you pulled it out. Okay, stick that in here, get the cover, switch hands real quick, and slide it back into the groove, and you just push it on. Take the glove box and just push it all the way up. You can see how those stoppers work. Then you get your damper here and hook it right back up, and that's it. Well, if the video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe. Have a great weekend.